Two of the most powerful figures in NASCAR took the stand Tuesday as the antitrust lawsuit trial pressed on, with plaintiffs pushing their case. 23iX Racing and Front Row Motorsports filed suit against NASCAR and CEO Jim France last October, claiming anti-competitive practices were used to maintain a monopoly while enriching the France family. NASCAR Commissioner Steve Phelps and France testified about charter agreement negotiations, salaries, permanent charters, and messages that became public during discovery. France spent just under 2 hours on the stand due to time constraints and is expected to return Wednesday for cross-examination. Phelps, by contrast, spent 4 hours fielding questions. Phelps's testimony focused on multiple areas. On revenue, he explained why NASCAR turned down team's request for $720 million, saying it would have bankrupted the organization. He emphasized that teams still received benefits through the Owners' Advisory Council, which he described as more collaborative than the now-removed three-strikes rule. The Superstar Racing Experience, or SRX, was another major point. Phelps admitted that, in Unsealed messages, he expressed frustration with the series, calling it a threat and comparing it to competition from LIV Golf against the PGA Tour. Despite concerns, NASCAR lawyers concluded SRX did not violate any rules. Cost caps also came under discussion. Phelps strongly supports a cap, calling it an unbelievable opportunity to increase team enterprise value. He confirmed NASCAR has authority to implement a cap unilaterally, though he insisted the organization would not impose it without collaboration. Permanent charters remain a sticking point. Phelps acknowledged teams desired them, citing evidence where he told Rick Hendrick, "We wish we could give you permanent charters, but Mr. France does not want that." He also hinted at creating a better mousetrap for charters, though details were sparse. France's testimony focused largely on permanent charters. He confirmed he said no, but offered little explanation. Letters from prominent owners highlighting charter lengths as a top priority were discussed. France's dual role as CEO and chairman, combined with his family trust holding majority ownership, added context to the decision-making power within NASCAR. Past messages from executives also surfaced. Texts from Steve O'Donnell depicted France as a brick wall regarding charter negotiations. France said he did not recall or understand some messages, but emphasized NASCAR's commitment to competition and organizational control. Both testimonies highlighted the tension between teams and leadership, the financial intricacies of the sport, and the delicate balance NASCAR navigates between profitability, safety, and team satisfaction. The trial continues, with key questions about permanent charters, revenue, and competitive fairness still unresolved.